To add a collaboration on an Instagram post after it has already been posted, start by opening the Instagram app and navigating to your profile. Once there, locate the post you want to edit. This process works on both iOS and Android devices. Select the desired post, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner, and choose the Edit option. Instagram will then open the post editor, allowing you to make changes. To add a collaboration, look for the Add Paid Partnership label button at the top of your post. If you don't see this option, don't worry, I'll guide you on how to enable it. Once you tap the button, you'll be directed to a new page where you need to toggle on the Add Partnership label option. This will reveal additional options for adding your collaboration. If the button is missing, go back to your Instagram profile. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and navigate to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to find the Help section and select Report a Problem. Choose Report a Problem again, and if prompted, select Don't Include. A text box will appear where you can contact Instagram's support team, describe your issue, politely request assistance, and mention that you'd like to avoid deleting and reposting the content. You can also attach a screenshot of the problem before submitting your request. Instagram typically responds within a day or two to resolve such issues. That's how you can add collaborations on Instagram. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll see you next time.